Creating lasting screen-free habits for your family isn't about willpower or strict rules. It's about understanding how habits actually form and working with your child's natural tendencies rather than against them. Today, I'll share the science-backed strategies that help screen-free habits stick for the long term. The key to lasting change lies in what researchers call habit stacking. Instead of trying to eliminate screen time, we're going to attach new behaviors to existing routines your child already follows automatically. For example, if your child always brushes their teeth after breakfast, that's the perfect time to stack a new screen-free activity. After brushing teeth becomes the cue for 10 minutes of reading or drawing. Start ridiculously small. This is where most families go wrong. They try to replace 2 hours of screen time with 2 hours of crafts immediately. Instead, begin with activities that take less than 5 minutes. Maybe it's drawing one picture, reading one short book, or building something simple with blocks. When these tiny habits feel effortless, your child's brain stops resisting them. Make the environment work for you, not against you. Habit formation is heavily influenced by your physical space. If you want your child to read more, books need to be more accessible than tablets. Place a basket of books in the living room, keep art supplies on a low shelf, or set up a puzzle station that's always ready to use. Meanwhile, charge devices in your bedroom rather than common areas. Focus on replacement, not restriction. The human brain hates empty space. If you simply remove screens without offering compelling alternatives, your child will feel deprived and resistant. Instead, present the new activity as exciting and special. Say, "It's time for our afternoon building challenge," rather than "turn off the screen." Use the 2-minute rule consistently. Any new habit should be designed to take less than 2 minutes when you're starting out. Want your child to develop a love of music? Begin with 2 minutes of listening to one song together, not a 30-minute practice session. Once the 2-minute version becomes automatic, you can gradually expand it. Timing matters more than you think. Our brains are most receptive to new habits at certain times of day. Morning routines stick better than evening ones because decision fatigue hasn't set in yet. Consider building your most important screen-free habits into the first few hours after your child wakes up. Create positive associations immediately. The emotions your child experiences during a new activity determine whether their brain will want to repeat it. Make screen-free time feel special, not punitive. Play their favorite music during art time. Let them choose the first book you read together, or make afternoon outside time feel like an adventure rather than a chore. Track progress visually, but keep it simple. Children respond well to seeing their success. Create a simple chart where they can put a sticker each time they complete their new habit. But don't overcomplicate this. One habit, one chart, one sticker. Too many tracking systems overwhelm both children and parents. Prepare for the extinction burst. Here's something most parents don't expect. When you start building new habits, your child's resistance to screen limits might temporarily get worse before it gets better. This is called an extinction burst, and it's actually a sign that change is happening. Your child's brain is fighting to return to the old pattern. Stay consistent during this phase. It typically lasts 3 to 7 days. Build in flexibility from the beginning. Rigid habits break easily when life gets disrupted. Instead of saying, "We read every day at 3 o'clock, try, "We read every day after lunch." This allows for schedule changes while maintaining the core habit structure. Remember that habit formation takes longer than the popular 21 days myth suggests. Research shows that simple habits take an average of 66 days to become automatic. Complex habits involving children can take even longer. Be patient with the process and celebrate small wins along the way. Focus on identity change, not just behavior change. Help your child see themselves as someone who enjoys books, art, or building things. Say, "You're becoming such a creative person," or "I love seeing how much you enjoy stories." When children internalize these positive identities, the habits become self-reinforcing. Most importantly, model the habits you want to see. If you want your child to read during screen-free time, read your own book nearby. If you want them to be physically active, join them outside. Children learn much more from what they observe than what they're told. Building screen-free habits that stick isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Start small, be consistent, and trust the process. The habits you build today will serve your child well throughout their entire life. Click the link or check my bio to discover an ebook that can give you all the skills that you need to stop your child's screen addiction.